Hey everybody. Today I thought I'd talk to you about something called Preserve 3D and Transform. On the left here I have this card that I've applied these to, and when I hovered upon it, it did something pretty cool. On the front I have, what is the capital of Indiana? And then once you think in your mind, well, I'm pretty sure it's in Indianapolis, and you hover over it and exclaim with joy, ah, I was right. And then below it is a cool little fact about Indiana. Well, let's dive into how this is actually created and coded. As you can see, I have this box shadow that brings out the card from an otherwise flat website. I also have a border radius to smooth out the corners, and then I have this div that's transformed to skew it so it's on its corner. And then when I hover over this image, I have the transform 3D and or preserve 3D and transform. On the right here, I have the image. There's a concrete image, and it's just a little square that I have repeating to create just one big image. And then down here, I have perspective. Now, perspective is what really hides the front from the back. And I have a pseudo element here that when the mouse hovers over the image, it'll flip to its back. And on the index page, I have this on touch start to also flip over when it's touched to imitate the hovering of the mouse. So the magic happens when I add this code to transform and rotate on its y-axis 180 degrees. So a 360 is a full circle, so I want it to go just halfway to show the back. And when it does, I want it to go at 0.6 seconds. And I want it to preserve the 3D aspect of this card it created of having both the front and the back. So let's go back here. With that in mind, I hover over it, it keeps the front and the back, and it's a cool little animation that lasts 0.6 seconds. So let's take this apart here. What if I delete this preserve 3D? Does it really matter? All right, so I hover over it, but it doesn't have that 3D, preserve 3D on it. It simply takes that front image and flips the front image 180 degrees and totally takes away the back as if it doesn't even exist. So let's bring all that back, make sure it's still working, and it does. Voila. What if we didn't have this transform and rotate 80 degrees? What would happen? Nothing. Nothing at all. So let's bring that back. So to start this whole awesome feature, you have to start with transform, and then to keep the front and the back, we use the preserve 3D. And to keep the back from being hidden until it's called upon by the hover, I use the hidden right there. Okay, well that's it for me. I hope you guys learned a lot and able to include this in your future web projects, or maybe even the semester's project. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.